Hey, this is Andrew Brown. In this video, we're going to take a look at expressions. So this should be pretty straightforward. I'm going to open this up in a new tab. I'm going to press period for github.dev. I'm going to look up expressions, GitHub Actions, so we can see what they're talking about. So I didn't cover everything. There's like literals and operators. That stuff is pretty darn straightforward. So I was mostly interested in the functions and check functions. I don't think we talked about object filters, as I didn't have much reason to utilize those. But if I find that it's on the exam, then I might come back and mention that. But you can see it's pretty straightforward. You just have a wildcard and some other selectors there. But anyway, let's go back and take a look at our functions. So you can see these are all the ones. I just pulled it in a list and showed it to you. The ones that are kind of interesting are these status check functions, where you can use them in the if statements, and that's where they're going to be mostly valuable, because it's whether it's success or canceled or always or failured. So anyway, we'll go back over to here. And I should have one. I've never ran it, but you can see why. There's so much stuff in here. But I've never ran it, and we're going to experience together whether this thing works. So go ahead and paste it into here. And before we do, I just want to make sure, yeah, those are disabled. Excellent. You know what I might do is I might just get rid of these other ones here for now. We'll just go ahead and delete those. And we'll go over to here and add them, and we'll just say expression function example. And this one here will happen on main push, and I don't know why I have these in here. Let's take those out, because I only really want them on this one. Just take that out, and we'll give that a go. Oh, it didn't add it. Come on, I don't like that, because then it's like I might end up having 2 runs. We'll go here. We just have 1 run. Okay, that's fine. So we will wait for that to, oh, it already failed. Let me guess, syntax error. Of course, there's a syntax error. We'll go to line 25. And I think I kind of learned from last time a mistake. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. And go to the YAML linter. And let's go to one that is not a spammy one. And we'll paste it in here. We'll say validate. And it does have an issue here on this line. On the labels part. Okay, so at least we know there's something wrong with it. What did it say? Which line? Issues label. I guess that makes sense why I might have had the issues in there, but this one here, I guess I should put the issues back in here if we're going to do that, but it has an issue with this line here. What doesn't it like? Let's put the single quotations around it. Will that correct the issue? Sometimes it needs that. Oh, still doesn't like it. What's the issue now? Bad indentation of the sequence on line 27. Well, I wasn't wrapping it, though. Line 27. So I think this one's fine. We'll give this a go. Try this again. Still doesn't like it. Line 24. Just give me a moment, okay? You know what? I'm not really sure what its problem is, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove this issue one. It's not like we need to run all of them. I mean, you have an idea of how this stuff works, so we'll do that. And I think that was the only one with issues, and that's all I wanted that one for anyway. So we'll go ahead and we'll just try and fix expressions here. You know, it's like most debugging issues is going to be just YAML files. There's something syntactically I'm not picking up, which is weird because I know YAML really well, but I'm missing something. And we still have a problem on line 24. I hate this line 24 nonsense. I'm noticing like that these are looking a little bit different. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do this on all of these here and see if that resolves our issue. And I'm just going to keep doing this. What is its problem? There has to be something that's mucking it up. And I'm thinking it has to do with the $ double curlies, is what I'm thinking. So like, if I was to take these 3 here, or these 4 here, and dump them on the bottom, but these still need to be at the bottom because I want them to happen last, right? This is frustrating. This is really frustrating. I wish we had a better linter. What I'm going to do, I really don't have to install a linting tool here though. Can I, let's see, there's like YAML? Please tell me there's a YAML one in here. This is YAML, we'll try that. I'm hoping that like maybe it will tell us if there's something wrong. There we go, now we're getting problems. Nested mappings are not allowed in compact mappings. Nested mappings, okay. So I think it's getting confused in what is happening. I'm gonna put doubles here, I guess. And then I'm gonna try to put forward slash like that. And maybe that will fix our issue. Oh, and then it even has them over here as well. Okay, then we'll do this one. And so I'm hoping that fixes the issue, but let's see here. Name here, missing property uses. Why does it need uses? All right. Oh, I guess it should do something. You know what? We should say, like, I have to give it a run. So just say, we'll just say echo success or echo failure. We don't need a colon there. That makes no sense. There we go. And so maybe that will fix our issue. Expression function. I'll go ahead and commit that. And hopefully, no syntax error. Fingers crossed. There we go, it ran. We'll take a look here and we'll click into it. And you can see all of them working. So, you know, contains, start with, ends with, echo, or sorry, format, whatever. Pretty straightforward. If you want, take a closer read of that, but I'm going to call this one done. We're going to go ahead over to our actions. I'm going to go and disable this for now, and I will see you in the next one, okay? Ciao.